Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to fill a hollow font in Photoshop. Let's begin. See this text. First of all, use hollow font, blending options of fill opacity 0, stroke center, and stroke size. Click OK and use fill color or image. First of all, fill color. Right click, rasterize. OK, and select the paint bucket tool. Select color, example red, and fill. Sorry. Okay, and use fill image color. Go to back, hold press Ctrl D. Then again go to file, open and open any image. Replace it. Press Ctrl T and place, hold shift, place your image. Then again select the text layer, hold Ctrl, click image, create layer mask. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.